Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the air filter on this 2009 Cadillac CTS. Alright guys, pop the hood, and this is your air filter under here. This plastic just comes off, pops off, and then you have a couple of screws down here, one there and another one right there. So let's get those off. Okay, you're going to need a TORX bit like this one. This is a T25 and a long extension. There's one more right down here in the front. Alright guys, I just took this thing out of the way, and then you want to just push this out and away from this whole thing. So what you want to do is take these tabs and they go into the slots down there. Okay. The other one goes right in here. Just try not to lose it. Alright guys, we took off these clips from here, and they just twist off like this and pull out, and now you're able to move this out of the way so you have more access to this one screw over here. Try not to lose it. It's even moving this support is still very tight. Alright guys, just put all this stuff back in here. Alright, that's how you change the air filter on the Cadillac CTS. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.